Hi Sunshines! Welcome back to my channel. Today me and Melanie are going to the ice cream shop. So I hope you like, comment and subscribe.
Let's go, Mom. I'm hungry.
Okay, let's go now.
Oh, there are so many flavors.
Yeah,
Mom, let's pick the ice creams, please.
okay Melanie. So, I like to order 2 ice creams, a strawberry and a chocolate ice cream.
So, you want something more?
Yes, some sprinkles and gummy bears, okay?
Woohoo! I love gummy bears.
Your total is $15,000.
Wow, these flowers are so beauty.
Yeah, they are.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Monster is a monster.
Oh Melanie, this is not monster, I think is a cat. We can adopt it with sushi.
I like sushi. Miss Giraffe is good in taste.
The sushi is ready. Let's go. Woohoo, here is the cat.
Hello, little kitty.
Oh, hi again Sunshines. Well, I go with the cat in the vet. So he is okay now. I decide that the name of Hias Nightmare. Yay! So, I hope you liked, comment and subscribe.